Page 146, another 3-minute technique. This is dealing with block chords and moving around. So 4/4 time, no sharps or flats, key of C major, but let's take this right hand first. You have the F chord. Next one is the F chord again, but an octave higher. They put a lift in there. That's just telling you to move. You don't need that lift. You just move here. And then the next one has an 8VA over it, so you go up here. And then the 8VA goes away. They say as written. Okay, the 8VA went away. We do it as written. And here. And then the next line is the same thing, but it's a C sus4 chord. And then a G7 chord. You get the idea, C chord. That's what we're doing here. That's it. The left hand, she's just going to hold the note down, and it's tied all the way across the line. So it's here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. And then you have a G to get the idea. And the third line is another G in the left hand. Isn't this fun? And then the last one you get C. And the last C in the left hand is an 8VA under it, so you go down. Now remember, on these block chords, try and get these notes down at the same time. Listen very carefully. You're just dropping the hand down gently. Let the wrist collapse a little bit. Don't play with a stiff wrist. Try and get them down at the same time if you can. It's hard to do. Speed-wise, it's not fast. It's whatever speed you can play it accurately, really, but it's not meant to be fast. Then they've added pedal. You know, they're pedaling each line. So I'm going to push the notes down first and then the pedal. And at the end of the line, on the rest, the fourth beat, the pedal comes up with the hands. So it's here this way. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, rest. And at the end, the very end, the pedal and the hands all come up together after 4 beats. Now they've added dynamics. I didn't do the dynamics. You're starting soft. Keep the left hand out of the way. It's the right hand we're talking about. So you're getting a little louder. You come back down. They don't tell you how much louder to get. Just go up maybe a little bit, soft to medium soft. Here, just a little bit. Back down to soft. Next line. It's a little louder, moderately loud. And then you go up to loud. Back down to moderately loud. And now you're loud. Go up loud, very loud. And then moderately soft at the end. And you don't swell here. You stay there. And you go back down very soft at the end. So you experiment, exaggerate them at first if you need to get an idea of the dynamics, but then go back and try and do it a little closer. Like the first line is soft. You're only going to get a little. So what's the difference between your soft and your moderately soft? Experiment with that and get that down. So you get some control. All this helps us to build control. We should be doing it in both hands, but that's all right.